Bellwork 21A, question 2, part 2. We already completed steps 1 through 3 where we found the scale factor, we found J prime, K prime, L prime, and M prime, and then you were to plot and label it. So we're going to take a look now at the orientation. So let's look at LM on our pre-image, and then let's look at L prime, M prime. Are they across from one another? No. So it's not a reflection. It's not an opposite orientation. It's a completely different orientation. And when you have a different orientation, that means a rotation has occurred. From the different orientation, we know that a rotation occurred. So let's examine this. L is at -2, 1, and L prime is at -1, -2. Pause your video and get all of that written down. All right, so to look at this, we notice how the ordered pairs, the numbers got flipped around. They got flipped around. Well, if we look at this, it went -2 and -2. That stayed the same. So that means the X became the Y coordinate, but it stayed the same. And then if I look at these 2 points, it went from +1 to -1, which means that they took the opposite of the Y coordinate. The opposite of the Y coordinate. So our rotation looks like -YX. Well, if we go to our chart on rotations, we're looking for -YX. I see -YX, oops, here, and I see -YX there. So that means our rotation was a 90 degrees counterclockwise or 270 clockwise. 90 degrees counterclockwise or 270 clockwise. If I go back here, the rotation that occurred was 90 degrees counterclockwise or 270 degrees clockwise. So, our final answer for question number 2, the sequence of transformations that occurred included a rotation of 90 degrees counterclockwise, 270 clockwise about the origin, followed by a dilation with a scale factor of 3. Again, the sequence of transformations, and yes, you can go ahead and abbreviate those now. The sequence of transformations included a 90 degrees counterclockwise / 270 degrees clockwise rotation about the origin. Yes, you must include about the origin, followed by a dilation with a scale factor of 3. That's it for question number 2. If you have any questions, let me know.